Hey there! Today I'm going to show you how to display descriptions directly on your Trello cards in just a few simple steps. Whether you're managing projects, tasks, or personal goals, this trick will save you tons of time and help you get an instant overview of your work. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to Trello.com. Log in using your Google, Microsoft, Apple, Slack account, or simply your email, whichever works best for you. Once you're in, select the board you want to work on from your dashboard. Now, let's make your cards more informative at a glance. Look at the upper right corner of your board and click on Power Ups. Here, you can enhance your board with extra features. Click Add Power Ups, then use the search bar to type Show Description. When the option appears, click Add to install it on your board. And that's it. With this power-up activated, your Trello cards will display descriptions right on the card front. This means you no longer have to click into each card to see the details, making it much easier to track tasks, deadlines, and progress, especially on busy boards. Adding power-ups like this one is a small step that can make a huge difference in productivity and workflow efficiency. So take a moment to explore and customize your boards. It's a game changer. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to check out our other videos for more tips on mastering Trello and boosting your productivity.